Good morning, students. This is your week in review video. So this is the lesson webpage, and you can find this information right on Friday. Make sure you've logged in for the day. Here's your class times and the bell schedule. So I put some notes up here. I was having some computer issues. I couldn't make the notes all fancy, but anyway, here is your week in review. First, in housekeeping. Remember, for homeroom, go to the homeroom Google Classroom every day and check in on the forum every day, both in person and remote. When you are remote on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, you are going to send me a message on Google Hangout when you are working on science so I can mark you present. Complete the daily the best you can. If you're trying to find a Google Hangout, if you're in your email, it's in the lower left-hand corner. There's a small plus sign that you can generate a message. If you're still not sure how to do this, let me know when we're in person, and I'll happily show you how to do everything. On Thursday, Thursdays are now Throwdown Thursday, folks. Remote students, you're going to log into the Zoom. I'll post the time and the Zoom information on the lesson webpage. I'll give you the code for the Quizlet Live, and it's remote versus live. Winner gets no current events next week. If we don't have a lot of folks logging in for that, I do need to mark you absent from class. Keep in mind, you got to log into that, but we'll just generate teams like we did the other day. And the other day was just a test. Don't worry if you didn't log into that. Notebook and lesson page. So remember, all your typed work goes into the playbook, the document that I shared in Google Classroom, unless it's a project like your superhero project. Every 2 weeks, I'm going to send it out. You do not have to share it. Next week, you can expect to work on dailies 5 through 8. All the lessons and activities associated that are found on the lesson page. So you have the lesson page and you have the notebook. As always, if you need help, please reach out or just stop for the day and wait till we're in person and I can help you out. Remember, when you get back, you always get makeup time so we can get you caught up. Content-wise, we learned grams, liters, meters, and seconds are the base units in the metric system. Grams are closest to ounces. The liter is closest to a half gallon. The meter is close to a yard. And seconds, time works the same in both systems. So the system you're used to, 60 seconds to a minute, for example, is the same. We learned about solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Solid has a definite shape and volume. Liquid has no definite shape. It'll fill in whatever you put it into, but it does have volume. Gas has no definite shape and definite volume. You got to be a little creative to measure it. And plasma is a superheated gas. And remember, you can make lightsabers out of it. It's pretty cool. You need thermal energy to get to and from each state. Either you're adding heat or you're taking it away to get to something to melt, for example. Next week, we're going to work more on the metric system in terms of matching the metric to English so that you can learn what these units are. We'll talk about some of the prefixes in the metric system, such as milli or kilo, and we'll do some real easy conversions to get you started. In states of matter, we're going to continue with phase changes in thermal energy. We're also going to talk about natural versus synthetic materials, physical and chemical properties, and possibly parts of the atom in a periodic table. As far as notebook and classwork, you're going to do your dailies 5 through 8. There'll be some current events, superhero project, and I can't read what that is. My screen's blocking it. So let me see what that was. Oh, on Thursday, don't forget, we are going to do Throwdown Thursday. It's the same Quizlet. So I'll put that study guide up. Take a look at it all week. We're going to use the same one we used last week so that you all can be ready. That's it for the week in review. I hope everyone's having a great Friday. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm around all day, so please reach out if you need help. Thanks, and have a great day.